We're in this place, no? Sacred worship ng mga Buddhist. Bawal yung picture taking, so from a distance na tayo. So I learned si Vairocana is a cosmic Buddha. Dami dito. These are mga Buddhist temples. Grabe din yung influence ni Buddha. We're going down here. This side. Sa taas tayo. Masyadong steep. This is also another worship hall. Dito ko nakita yung word ni yung Vairocana, the cosmic Buddha. Bawal din yung picture taking dyan. Ano yung mga religious beliefs na gano'n? You'll be amazed. As Christians, no? Mga believers of Christ, we should not pretend na yung religion natin should be the superior religion, because you have millions of people who are believers also of different faith. We're going slowly. These are stones, no? Centuries old na stones. Akit ka. Ayan. Withstood time. Masyadong pataas lang yung rise niya. Okay. Again, Vairocana, the cosmic Buddha.